Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I share how to create pie animation in After Effects step by step. So don't waste time, let's start how to create pie animation in After Effects. First we go to the After Effects panel and take a new composition. Take the composition name is pie animation and the size of composition is landscape, and then take the solid color is take blue pale solid, and now I take an ellipse tool, then it's take the align center and incorporate take middle. Now with layer style and take the bevel and emboss, and then the size of emboss is take 25. Now we go to effect and preset panel and take the radial wave. Then we go to the effect and effect to radial wave and set the transition first keyframe 100%. After 2 seconds later, set the transition completion is take 70%. It's mean 30% we take. Then we go to then I select to keyframe and alter double click on keyframe and tag the influence 70%. Now I see this animation. Okay, first portion is complete. Then after 2 seconds later we duplicate and set the animation. Then again go to the radial wave and change the starting angle. The starting angle we take set equal the right portion. Okay, for this we take -118, and now we set the transition completion is take 75%. I take the 75%. Now it means we take first 30% of the circle and then we take the 25%. Now we change the color of pie, but we take it dark and then we take the dark green first portion. Now we take duplicate it and again go to the after 2 seconds, and then we go to the radial whip to and change the starting angle. And now we take the transition completion is 80%, which means 20% of take whole pie and change the color of blue. Now we again duplicate the shape layer and then again we go to effect and effect to radial wave and then change the start angle. Now we set the transition completion is 100 to 75%. Now I see the full animation. The first pie animation is complete. Now I take the percentage each portion. Now I take the text tool and write 30, and now we set it perfectly and increase the scale size. Change the fill color black to white, and then again we go to the effect and preset, take the slider contour Then we go to the text choose link with the slider, and now go to the expression. Then we paste this expression which I shared the first comment section. Now we go to the effect slider control. First slider is 0 and then second slider is 30. Then select to keyframe and alter double click on keyframe. It said first influence is 70% and the second influence is 70% the velocity. Now duplicate it and set it the second portion and change, and then again go to the effect and slider control and change the slider is 25. Now let's see the animation, and now again duplicate this shape and set on the third portion. And now if I can effect to slider control and change the slider is 20. Then duplicate the third and set on the last portion because the second and fourth portion is 25%. So now see the whole animation. So see you soon the next video. You can